Welcome to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. Before I get too much into this video, I just want to welcome the channel's newest sponsor, Rico's House of Rods, Male Exotic Review and Emporium. If you go down to Rico's House of Rods and ask for the VIP experience, the room full of Richards, mention Bags, give them code Bags, you'll get 15% off. So appreciate you, Rico, and you're welcome. Through the power of laziness, this video is coming out very quickly in relation to my last video where I changed the front brake pads on my LX470, aka Toyota Land Cruiser, aka 100 series. Why am I making it? Well, these are the Akebono, Akebono pads that I put on, and I didn't particularly like them. And I'm going to tell you which pad I had specifically. They are the Akebono ProAct Ultra Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pads. And why didn't I like them? I did not, compared to the factory pads, the Sumitomo's that I had on there, and that's what I have since replaced them with. I drove on them almost like 18, 19 days before I replaced them. The initial bite, when you put your foot on the pedal and start pressing down, that initial clamping, initial slowdown force of the Akebono pads I didn't like. And then I really felt like you know, as you progressively push harder, there was not a progressiveness of them clamping and then slowing down. It was kind of like, hey, we're sort of slowing down, and then as you got, then they kind of grabbed. So the modulation of them I didn't particularly like as well, and to be honest with you, they didn't feel like they stopped as well. Now, I do not have any real evidence. I didn't do any testing of 60 miles an hour, how many feet, or anything like that. It was all seat of the pants feel. But that's all that mattered to me. And I'm just telling you this, so, I mean, for all I know, these brake pads stop faster. If I went out and did a whole bunch of stops from 60 miles an hour, maybe these stopped faster than the Sumitomo pads, but it didn't feel that way, and I just didn't like the way they felt. And there was nothing wrong with the Akebono. If I had had a different pad and put these on, they could have been very happy with me, or I could have been happy with them. They don't care about my feelings, but regardless, I could have been happy with them. The reason I'm not is I knew I liked these other ones better, and it was worth the money to me to replace them after 17 or 18 days or whatever it was. So I just wanted to follow up with you about that, and I will say this, I ordered them from toyotaparts.com or something to that effect. I'll put a link down below. I'm not affiliated, it's Toyota's online ordering system, but I saved like $27 by ordering them from Toyota, having them delivered to my local dealership and picking them up, because they were $74 from $75 from my local Toyota, or from Toyota online, and they were like 101 at my dealership. And it only took them 48 hours to get them from Toyota to the dealership. So I would definitely recommend that. But as stated, nothing wrong with Akebono pads. They worked, and just a little follow on, I did a bedding in procedure at 40 miles an hour, 45, and that still didn't work. So I did one at 80 miles an hour 3 or 4 days later, and that still didn't improve the pedal feel for me. And then when I put in the new Sumitomo pads, then the brake, after the initial bedding in procedure at 45 miles an hour, that modulation and feel came back. So it was definitely a pad situation. Like I said, it totally could be personal. Again, I have no empirical evidence. I didn't do any real data testing. This is all just flying by my seat in my pants, like I do a lot of things. But anyway, I just want to let you know about that, and that way I can just follow up with that and say, hey, if you're looking for what I feel is a better pad, the Sumitomo factory brake pads are pretty damn good. Anyway, thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day.